How to redeem Microsoft Rewards gift card Roblox on Xbox. Got a Microsoft Rewards gift card and want Robux on Xbox? Here's an easy step-by-step guide. So first, log into Xbox. Make sure you're signed in with the same Microsoft account linked to your rewards points. Now from the home screen, go ahead and head over to the Microsoft Store and then go ahead and look for Redeem Rewards. Click on your profile at the top right and you should find the redeem code under that. So that will take you into the redeem page. To go ahead and type the 25-digit code from your Microsoft Rewards gift card, confirm to add the balance to your account. Search for Roblox in the store, select Roblox packages or Roblox Premium at checkout, and then choose gift card balance as payment. Complete the transaction. Robux or Roblox Premium will be added directly to your Roblox account linked to your Xbox account. And that is how to redeem Microsoft Rewards gift card Roblox Xbox.